don't take all the books out. Just read one at a time. It's going to take you a few days to get through one of those books. Your pants falling down? That's because you're too skinny. You need to eat more. Make you fat. Fatten you up. Are you going to put the books back on the shelf? No. Well, that's what Santa would want you to do.